Okay, now finish putting it all the way in and shut the door. Good. Here, let me help you. Here, we gotta get those two things right there. Those go in too. Good. Yeah. Yeah, dirty. Dirty. Okay, good job. Okay, now shut it hard. You gotta really slam it, Leo. Slam. Slam it hard. Okay, watch your finger. Okay, now hit start. Hit start. That's actually pause. Hit start. You're close. This one there. You're doing good, babe. Oh.